Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat sejahtera kepada semua murid SMK Koman Bukit Nenas dan juga kepada murid-murid dari sekolah lain yang sempat mengikuti live channel Matematik Tambahan bersama Seizat pada hari ini. Okay guys, today we are going to learn a new chapter. Alright, the title of the chapter is Permutation and Combination. Okay, this is a chapter 6 in Form 5. Okay, so what is important about this chapter? So first thing is you need to know this chapter will come out in paper 1, right? How many marks? 3 or 4 marks? Only one question normally, right? So what we are going to learn in this topic? Okay, there's a 3 things we are going to learn, all right? So stay tuned, make sure if you have a problem, as usual, if you have a problem, please voice out your problem in our live chat on my right side here. And also number 2, my student CBN, please update your kehadiran in the live chat here, right? And number 3, the new student that follow my channel, please download the module that I'm using for this topic in the description below. Okay, I already provide you the link for you to download. Okay guys, let's look at the notes. Okay, the notes here. All right guys, this is what we are going to learn today. Very interesting, very easy, super easy. Okay, semudah ABC as usual, right? Guys, what is the important thing about this chapter? 3 things, right? I told you. Number 1 is permutation here. This is the permutation. Okay, what is the permutation? All right, when we talk about permutation, all right, permutation. So permutation means NPR. This is the meaning of permutation. The formula, straightforward. Okay guys, so the second is combination. All right, what is a combination? So when we talk about combination, so actually is equals to NCR. See the words here, P is a permutation, C stand for combination. That's number 1. Okay guys, what is the keywords? Okay, what is so important about the permutation? The permutation, okay, ataupun pilihatur is you need to take consider about the sorting or order. So you see here the words of order is very important here. Okay, order is a very important for permutation. That means you need to make sure you know how to arrange. Okay, the keywords arrangement. Okay, another keyword is sorting. Also very important about permutation. And number 3, what else? Order, yeah, order. Order also is similar meaning like arrangement and sorting. So that is for permutation. Okay, when we are going to use the combination formula, okay, if the soalan mention about selection ataupun selected or chosen ataupun choose, number 3, pick. Also can pick, we are talking about pick, not arrange. And number 4, what is number 4 will be take. Take also is a keyword of combination. All right guys, so if your soalan SPM mention one of these keywords, so you need to know which formula need to use. So if you have the keyword of arrange, so you need to use NPR to solve the problem. Okay guys, so that is the keyword. So what is the normally what kind of question is come out for permutation? So for permutation, you need to consider number 1 when we are talking about to arrange password. Okay, so the question like password, code, and what else? Plate number. All right, plate number, car plate number, right? Okay, plate number, and what else? School magazine. Okay, school magazine. Okay, when I talking about school magazine, okay, why is important? Why we need to use a permutation? Because when we talk about school magazine, actually this one we need to arrange the student, right? When we take the picture, okay, so the class picture, so you want to sort your your class member according to the height, right? So how many ways to sort that people? Okay, so that's why when we are talking about this taking picture, so it will be under the permutation title, under the permutation problem. All right. So I think one more thing is a spot toto. Okay, just came to my mind, spot toto. Okay, spot toto. Okay, or what we call that, Magnum 4D, Magnum 4D kan, nama dia Magnum 4D. Okay, this one we need to know, we need to arrange the number also. So people that learn people that learn this topic, they can apply when they want to buy the Magnum 4D. Okay, I'm not condone this thing, because this one just a example for you guys. All right, so that is the examples question that can be asking. Okay, so this whole thing is under the permutation. Sangat straightforward. Now, what is example soalan question for combination? Normally, combination only talking about people. Very famous about people, because combination, the difference between combination and combination. Let's say I'm talking about combination. Let's say I have 10 people. I want to choose 2 people to accompany me go to shopping. So when I choose 2 people, I'm talking about to select only 2 people, not to arrange these 2 people. Okay, I don't bother if the first girl on my left or the first girl must be on my right. I didn't bother about that. That's why that question is underneath the combination tajuk. So that is the example question that can be asked, all right, in SPM. Okay, guys. So you see here, for combination, the order of the object in the chosen set is not taken, is not taken into consideration. So the sorting, the arrangement for combination is not a priority. Okay, so hopefully you guys understand. So that is number 2. And number 3 we are going to learn today is factorial. Okay, guys, what is factorial? Okay, the symbol is this one, factorial. Okay, so let's say I have 5 factorial. How I solve this 5 factorial? We got 2 ways. Number 1, of course, by using the calculator. So from the calculator, okay, you see, guys. So if you see here, okay, from your calculator, there's a button of NPR, NCR here, NPR, NCR underneath, under your button of times and divide. And also the factorial is under the button of x power of -1 here. Okay, so let's say I want to find the 5 factorial. I just press 5, shift, and x to the power of -1. So hopefully you guys can see. So I just press equal, then that is your answer, 120. Okay, that will be the answer, 120. Very straightforward if I'm using the calculator. But if I want to do manually, okay, some people want to do manually, they want to challenge themselves. Okay, doesn't matter. So it also equals to 5 factorial means 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And okay, then how much the answer? 120. This is the meaning of 5 factorial. Okay, guys. So if I have 20 factorial, I need to elaborate. If I want to use the manually, so I need to elaborate. So 20 times 19 times blah 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 until it times 1. So waste of time, right? If you want to do manually, okay, you are trying to save time, like to solve the exam. So please use the calculator, right? If I have the 100 factorial, so please use the calculator. So 100 factorial, straight away get the answer. So 100 factorial here equal, oh sorry, math error. Maybe there is a big number. Okay, let's say 50 factorial. Okay, 50 factorial. That your answer, right? Settle. Okay, so that is number 1. Okay, guys, let's look at the example question about permutation. So next page here. All right. So this is the soalan example question for the permutation. Okay, so read carefully the instruction. Given the words of places, okay, we got word of places here. All right. So how many words here? We got PLACES. We got 6 words. Okay. PLACES. So all total is 6 words. So number 1, find the number of way of arrange. Arrange, the keywords arrange. Okay, that means NPR. Arrange all this alphabet in the given words. So how many words we have? We got 6 words. That means we want to arrange in you want to arrange all these words in 6 places. Okay, so how many ways to arrange? Okay, so the solution here, number 1, we use 6 factorial. Okay, we can use 6 factorial to solve the problem. So that is the first method. So 6 factorial equals to 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 until times 1, and then you got 720. Now, if I want to use the formula of NPR, so how? So the formula is NPR, right? N stands for the available huruf here, available alphabet we have. We got 6 alphabet here. And then we want to arrange how many words? We want to arrange all words, right? The word is all words we want to arrange. So that means we want to arrange all 6 words. 6 P6. Okay. So guys, how to solve the problem? So we just press 6 and there's a button NCR here. Shift times, okay, but the P is came out. 6P6, all right, 6P6, all right, okay. Hopefully you guys can see, and then you just press equal. So the answer is 720. Very straightforward. So same answer like the first method. So this one will give you 720. That is your question A. Okay, guys. So if you look at the question A again, there is no restriction here. This question doesn't have restriction. That means there is no condition at all. Okay, it just an open question. You have 6 words. I want to arrange that 6 words. That's all. No condition, no restriction at all. Now look at B. The question B: how many ways to arrange 4? We want to arrange 4 alphabet. So that means we got 4 places. Okay, we got 4 places. So we want to arrange 4 alphabet in the given word so that the last word will be S. That means the last position, the last word on this position must be S. Okay, so from the places, the word of places, how many S we have? We only have 1 S here, right? That's why I write down here 1. Only 1 word of S. Okay, guys. When I take the huruf S, when I took out the word of S, put it here, how many words are left down in our pool? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? There's a 5 remaining words. Then how many available places? 3 places available. So how to find these 3? So it will be 5 word available. We want to arrange how many? 3. So because 5 stands for 5 available words in our pool. And what is 3? 3 stands for how many available places? Okay, so the answer will be 5P3 times 1. Okay, times 1. This is 1. Put it here. So the answer you are supposed to get, okay, so 5P3 times 1. Yeah, from this example, I already showed the answer. So the answer is 60. Very easy, right? That is question B. Okay, we got restriction here. Okay, how about C? Question C, the number of ways of arrange all the alphabet in the given word so that the first alphabet must be a vowel. Okay, what's that mean, vowel? Okay, what is that mean by vowel? All right, so firstly is we write down the available places. So we got how many? Okay, 6 places because they are talking about all alphabet. But the first here, the first places. The first place must be put a vowel. How many vowel we have? We got A and E, right? A and E. Okay, so there's a 2 there's a 2 words here. So we need to choose one, right? We need to choose one. All right. So if we have 2 words and then we need to choose one of this word to put into this places, so it will be two words to choose one. Okay, so 2P1 here. Okay guys, let's say I choose huruf A here. I choose the word of A. So if I choose A, I put it here. So what happened to E? The E will return back to the pool. So how many words are left now? If I already put the A here, so it will be P, L, C, E, S. There's a 5 word available now. So that means how to fill in these 5 places here. So it will be 5 available words, and then we need to arrange how many? 5 available words also. So it will be 2P1 times 5P5. So how much the answer? Okay, so just press the calculator. 2P1 times 5P5. So anda akan dapat this one. This is what you are supposed to get. 240. Okay, so very easy. Okay guys, so I repeat again, for question C, there is a restriction, there's a condition here. Condition here is the first word must be a vowel. It can be either A or E. If I choose, okay, so how to fill in here? It will be 2P1. Why? Because we got 2 available words. Okay, we got 2 available words, which is A and E, but we need to choose one, either A or E. All right, that's why I put 1 here. So if I put A here, so what happened to E? E will be returned back to the pool. So how many words are left now? There's 5 words, okay, for 5 available places. So that's why 5P5 settled. And the last question is donkey. So for donkey, find the number of this arrangement in which letter E and A. Okay guys, this one very important. Okay, so find, okay, we want to arrange all the 6 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and E and A must be side by side. Okay. Let's say I write like this, E and A, side by side. Okay, guys. So, these 2 huruf, this is a 2 huruf, right? This is 2 alphabet here. Okay. What does that mean? That means this is a 2 factorial. Why 2 factorial? Because to arrange E and E, it can be E and A. Sometimes it also can be A and E, right? They are shifted, right? EA or AE. That's why 2 factorial. Okay, that's number 1. Number 2. Now, what we need to do is we put all this E and A and put it inside one box. So we consider this as a new thing. Okay, it's a new object. So how many objects we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 different places. That means we got 5 different objects we want to arrange. So we need to time with 5 factorial. Okay guys, I repeat again. This one very important. So let's say we have this kind of soalan, E and A side by side like this. E and A 2 words. That means 2 factorial because they can be shifted. It can be EA or it can be AE. That's why 2 factorial. That's number 1. Number 2, we group E and A and we label it as a new object. All right, that's why I put a mark here. So we got how many places available now? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So that means we got 5 different objects here we want to arrange. That's why we put 5 factorial. So the final answer will be 2 factorial times 5 factorial. So the answer will be 240 also. Okay, 240. All right, settled. That is your question, donkey. Okay, let's look at the next question. Okay, guys, number 2 here. How many 4-digit numbers can be formed without repetition? Okay, repetition from the digit 1, 2, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. Okay, how many digits we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. We got 6 numbers contained of 1 until 7 without 6. Okay, guys. So 2A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 places. Okay, and this number that we want to arrange must be a even number. There is your restriction. There's your condition here. It must become an even number. When we talk even number, the last place here very important. because the last place here must be a even number. We need to put the even number. What is the even number available here? So it can be 2, 4. That's all right. 2 and 4 is an even number. So 2 and 4. So how to solve this problem? We got two options here. We need to choose one, right? So that's why it becomes 2p1. Similar like the previous question, right? Okay, guys, let's say I choose 4 here. Put it 4 here. So what happened to 2? The 2 will going back to the pool again. Okay, it will be going back to the pool. So how many number left in our pool? It will be 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. We got 5 different number, and then we want to arrange in 5 different places. So it will become 5p5. So final answer will be 5p5 times 2p1. Okay, so as usual, press the calculator. 5p5 times 2p1. Okay, 5p5 times 2p1. Okay, the answer will be 240. Okay, guys. All right. How many number of 4 digit? Oh, sorry. This is 4 digit. I see. 4 digit. Okay. Sorry for my mistake. I'm arranged for 6 digit here. Okay. So this is wrong. All right. Now let's do again. So for question A, we are talking about 4 digit. Okay, 4 digit. Okay, so the A will be an even number. So as usual, the last places will be even number saja, 2 or 4. So it will be 2p1. So let's say I'm choosing 4, right? I'm choosing 4 here. I put it 4. So the 2 will be going back to the pool. Okay, how many number available inside our pool? Will be 5 digit available. And then we want to sort in 3 places. So it will be 5p3. Okay, sorry for my mistake on the previous solution here. So it's a 4 places. It's a 4 digit number. So 4 places. So 5p3 times 2p1. So the answer will be 5p3 times 2p1. So the answer will be 120. Okay, 120. Very straightforward. Okay, sangat mudah. Semudah ABC. Okay guys, next. How about B? It must be a odd numbers. Okay, don't forget your places available only 4 because 4 digit numbers, and this is a odd numbers. When we talk about odd numbers, the last digit here must be odd digit. So what is the odd digit here? 1, 3, 5, and 7. So we got 1, 3, 5, and 7. We got 4 option here. We got 4 digit we can choose, but we need to choose one only. So it will be 4 digit available. We need to choose one. That's why 4p1. Now let's say I choose number 1 here. I put it 1 here. So what happened to 3, 5, and 7? It will return back to the pool again. So what is the number available in our pool? It will be 2, 3, 4, 5, and 7. 5 digit available. We want to sort in 3 places. So 5p3. So the final answer will be 5p3 times 4p1. So the final answer is 5p3 times 4p1. Okay guys, so the answer is 120 also. Okay, 120 120. Okay. Sorry, 240 240. Alright, settle. Now, how about C? Alright guys, for question C, consists of digit 5. What's that mean? Okay, consists of digit 5. Before that, there's a 4 places. Consists of digit 5, that means there's only 1 digit 5 here. That means the 5 can be appear here. The 5 also can be put it here, here, or here, right? So how many ways to sort the 5? So we got 4 ways to sort 5. All right. So guys, now, so let's say I put 5 here, and then we got available 3 places. So Now when I take out 5, so the available number in our pool will be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7. So 5 digit, right? There's a 5 digit there. So 5P3. So for the first one, because the 5 can be put beside this or this, 4 times with 5P3. So that is our solution. Okay, so 4 times 5P3, your answer will be 240 also. Okay, banyaknya jawapan yang sama. Okay, so the answer here is 240. Okay, that is your question C. Okay, guys, so what's the next question here? The next question is more than 4,000. Okay, to solve question donkey, more than 4,000. What does that mean? That means the first digit here must be 4 and onwards. So it can be 4, it can be 5, and it can be 7, right? Available number here 4, 5, and 7. So we got 3 options here. We need to choose one. So 3P1. Okay. So guys, next, let's say I choose 4 here. I choose 4 here. So what happened to the 5 and 7? The 5 and 7 going back to the pool again. See, I repeat again about the pool. And then the available number in our pool will be 1, 2, 3, 5, and 7. So 5 digit available. We want to sort in 3 places. So it will be 5P3. So the final answer will be 3P1 times 5P3. Then you got the answer. So berapakah jawapan beliau? 3P1 times 5P3. Okay. So this is the answer that we are supposed to get 180. So 180. So that's all for question number D. Okay, guys. So I believe this one is very easy, right? Okay. So settle about the permutation. Okay. Ataupun pilih atur bahasa Melayu dia. Now let's look at the combination, the second tajuk. Combination, I told you, combination and CR. Number 1. Number 2, we are not bothered about the order or sorting or arrangement. We just talking about to select or to choose the people, normally people, right? So guys, look at the first example. How many ways to choose 5 books from the 20 books? Available books is 20, but we want to choose only 5. So 20 C5. That's why we got the answer 15,504. Now, how many way can committee of 3 men and 3 women be chosen from a group of 7 men and 6 women? This one. You see, I want to form a committee that consists of 3 men and 3 girls, and how much available number of men and how many number of available women. Okay, so we got 7 men available and 6 women available. So we want to choose 3 on both. So that means from the men we got 7C3 because we are choosing 3 of men, and that's why we got times here, and 6 available women. We need to choose another 3 women here. So times this together, then we will come up with 700. Very easy. All right. So let's do some exercise here. Okay, combination. So now, first example here. How many ways 3 books can be selected from 5 books? You see the word of select. Previous we used the word of choose. Okay, choose, chosen, and etc. Now we are used the select words. Okay, so available books is 5, and we want to choose 3. So 5C3. Okay, very straightforward. 5C3. Okay, guys, this is how you press the calculator and equal. The answer how much here? 10. The answer is 10. Settle. Okay. Okay, next example. So we got 4. Okay, how many way of 3 magazine can be selected from 4 magazine A, B, C, D? So that means available is 4. We want to choose 3. So 4C3. Okay. 4C3. So the answer will be 4. The answer equals to 4. There's 4 ways to choose. All right, next. Okay, how many way 3 girls can be selected from the 6 girl? Okay, very straightforward. So 6C3, then you get the answer. And this one, okay, 7 available player. You want to choose 4, eh? So 7C4, and then you find the answer. Okay, how many committee of 4 members chosen from 8 pupil can be formed? Okay, available pupil is 8. We want to choose 4. So 8C4, straightforward. Okay, next. How many committee of 3 members chosen from 9 pupil can be formed? So 9C3. Okay, and the second last question here. Okay, how many team of 6 players can be chosen from 8 pupil can be formed? So 8 available student, we need to choose 6. So 8C6. So find the value here. And last one, how many way can be 5 cards be chosen from 10 cards? So very straightforward, 10C5. Okay, this one I calculate for you. So 10C5. So the answer is 252, right? 252 here. Okay, 252. Settle. Okay, guys, that is the exercise. Now look at the next example here. Okay, the next example here. Okay, number 1. How many way can a coach choose 3 swimmer from among 5 swimmer? We got 5 swimmer. We want to choose 3. So there's no arrangement. This is about chosen. This is about combination. Okay, so 5 available swimmer. We want to choose 3. 5C3. So how much the answer? 5C3. 10. The answer is 10. Okay, that's all. Okay. Now, next. Here. 6 friends want to play enough game of chess. Okay. To be sure everyone play everyone else. How many games will they have to play? Okay, guys. Okay, what I understand about this question is we got 6 available students. Okay. And then all of them want to play the chess games. Okay, they want to play fair and square. Okay, every members get chances to play the games. Okay, so 6 available student. Okay, when we talk about playing the games, we are not talking about arrangement. We are talking about chosen. Okay, maybe A, B, C, D, and E, F. Okay, the player A and player B versus, and then the player C versus the player D, and etc. etc. That's what I mean. Okay, we don't bother about arrangement. We just want to know the possibility to pick, and then to choose. Okay, so 6 available student choose. Okay, guys, when we play chess, how many players? It will be 2 players, right? So 6C2. That's all. So 6C2. The answer is 15 games. So that means all these 6 students, all these 6 girls or pupil, they need to play at least 15 games. They need to play 15 games. That means everyone will get a fair and square chances to play. Okay, if they are playing less than 15, that means one of the player or 2 of the player dapat main dengan sama rata. Okay, that is what I mean. Okay, settle. Okay, next. Here, example here. Okay, so in a lottery, in a lottery, it's like what I mean by the sport toto, the magnum 4D, whatever. Okay, in a lottery, each ticket has 5 one-digit numbers start from 0 until 9 on it. Okay, guys. For this question, okay, when we talk about sport toto, there's a 5 available places here. Okay, 5. And then the number available is 0 until 9. Okay, 0 until 9. So here, guys, 0 until 9. All right, that's number 1. You will win if your tickets has the digit in any order. What are your chances of winning? This is not changes, chances, chances. Okay, so what are your chances of winning? Okay, guys, for question A, In any order, you need to read this one. In any order, you see the words order, right? Then straight away you assume this is a permutation, but it's not permutation because they are talking about you win if your ticket has the digit in any order. That means it doesn't bother about arrangement. It can be any number. Okay, it can be just pick a random number then settle. Okay, it doesn't mention it doesn't consider the arrangement of numbers. So that this one for question A actually is a combination. So how to solve the problem? 0 until 9, how many numbers actually we have? We got 10 digit actually. So 0, 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, until 9. There's a 10 digit here. So I want to choose on to put in 5 places. So 10C5. That will be the answer for A. Okay, for question A. So 10C5, jawapan anda sepatut dapat ialah 252 252 here. 252. Okay, guys, that is your 252 ways. Okay, but the soalan asking you what are your chances of winning. The chances of winning will be 1 out of 252. That is your answer. Okay, when we talk about chances, that means we are talking about the percentage of winning. So to win this game, you have 1 out of 252 ways, 252 numbers, variable numbers. Okay, so that is your answer for A. Okay, how about B? So for question B here, okay, you would win only if your tickets has the digit in the required order. Required order. See, there's another word order, but required. That means they are the order is very important here. That means this one will be the what's that? The permutation. Okay, this is the permutation question. And then what are your chances of winning? Okay, guys, before that, so we need to write down the 5 available places, and then we got 10 digit. We need to arrange 5. Okay, because this one is the arrangement very important because they consider the arrangement. Okay, required order here. That's why 10P5. So 10P5 actually how much you will get? 10P5 is 30,240. Oh, banyaknya. Okay, so the answer is 30,240 ways of arrangement for 5 digit. Okay, now what is your chances of winning? So your chances of winning will be 1 out of 30,240,000. Okay, so 30,240. Okay, so this is the chances for those that they have the chances the chances for those that always play the Magnum 4D. Okay, so that is the answer for this question. Okay, guys, that's all about this chapter. Okay, we already finished. Okay, now let's look at some example in SPM question. All right. Now I show you the past year exam. Okay, paper 1 2003. All right. So now we got what we have here. A diagram below show a 5-letter and 3-digit. Okay. So a code. That means automatically a code. It will be permutation, right? Okay. So a code is to be formed by using those letter and digit. The code must consist of 3 letters followed by 2 digits. How many codes can be formed if no letter or digit is repeated in each code? Okay, now we want to form a code. The code must be 3 letter and 2 digit. That means 5 places. Okay, it will put in 5 places. So the first 3 here will be for the letter. So how many letter we have? We got 5 letter. We want to arrange 3. Okay, we want to arrange 3 here. So for the last 2 places here is 4 digit. Okay, so how many digit we available here? 1, 2, and 3. 3 available digit. We want to arrange 2 places. So the final answer will be 5P3 times 3P2. So anda darab saja 5P3 times 3 P2. So the answer will be 360. Okay, very straightforward. That's the answer for question number 1. See, 3 marks already. Okay, as I told you, this chapter is very easy. Okay, so there's no formula or difficult formula you need to remember. Straightforward, NCR, MPR, and factorial. That's all. Okay, guys, next. Still in 2003, paper 1. Okay. Now, question number 2 here. A badminton team consists of 7 students. So we got 7 students in one team. So a team will be chosen from 8 boys and 5 girls. Okay. So find the number of teams can be formed such that each of the team consists of, see, this question is not talking about arrangement because they only talk about to choose the people, not to arrange the people. Okay, that's why this question number 2 here actually is NCR question. Okay, NCR. Okay, guys. So find the number of team can be formed if the team must consist of, okay, first rule is 4 boys. Okay, so for this question number 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, it must consist of 4 boys. So these 4 places must be for boy. So how many boys we have? We got 8 boys, right? 8 boys, we want to choose 4. Okay, we want to choose 4 people of boy. Okay, what else? These 3 places available is there for the girls, right? How many girls we have? 5 girls. 5 girls, we want to choose 3 places. So how much the answer? So it will be 8C4 times 5C3. So berapa jawapan beliau? 8C4 times 5C3. So the answer will be 700. Okay, 700. Done. Very straightforward. Okay, how about number 2? Okay, number 2, not more than 2 girls. Okay, guys, if we have this kind of words, not more than 2 girls, this one is playing with the inequalities. Not more than 2 girls, that means the maximum girls will be 2 person in that team. Or it can be 1 person only. Because not more than 2. It can be 2, the maximum. It can be lesser, which is 1. It also can be there's no girls at all. Okay? That means 2, 1, or 0 girls. Alright? So be careful when you solve the problem. Okay, so we got, okay, first case is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 places here, 2 girls for 2 girls. So this is 2 girls here. So how many girls we have? 5. We want to choose 2. So available places here is 5, right? So 8 boys, we want to choose 5. That is the first case. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 1 places for girls. So which is 5C1 here. Okay, it can be 2 girls, or it can be 1 girl, or it can be no girls at all, right? So the places available will be 6, and we need to choose from 8. So 8C6 for the boys. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There is no girls at all. So that means the whole thing here is for boys. So it will be 8C7. Okay. So all these 3 cases, what we can do is, okay, just times 8C5 times 5C2, all stand for plus 8C6 times 5C1 plus 8C7. Then what is the answer here? So 8C5 times 5C2 plus 8C6 times 5C1 plus 8C7. So the answer that we should obtain is 708. That is the final answer. Done. See, easy, right? So settled already. I hope you guys enjoy this topic. Okay. So next, 2004 paper 1. So we got hebat. Okay, we got a word of Hebat. Okay, so all these huruf is different. All these five letter are different. So number one, find the number of possible arrangement. Okay, that means we are talking about we are talking about permutation. Okay, arrangement. So arrangement. So we got 5 places here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places. Okay, we want to sort all these cards without restriction. You see, find the number of possible arrangement in a row for all the cards. There's no restriction here. So there's no condition. So that means 5 available huruf. We need to arrange for 5 available places. Okay, 5 available huruf. Arrange for 5 available places. So 5P5. So the answer, how much? So 5P5 equals to 120. Okay, kalau you guys dah tak suka guna 5P5, you also can use 5 factorial. 5 factorial will give you the same answer. 120 also, right? 120, alright? Settle. Okay guys, next, number 2. 4 marks, this question. Okay, number 2, find the number of this arrangement in which the letter E and A must are side by side. Okay, E and A must side by side. So E and A here. Okay guys, similar like the previous example, right? We are talking. So E and A, there's a 2 alphabet here. So it will be 2 factorial. Why 2 factorial? Because it can be EA or it can be AE. That's why we put factorial. That's number 1. Number 2, after that we put E and A as a 1 box here, it will become a new huruf. So how many huruf we want to sort? We got first 1 place, second, third, and fourth. We got 4 place. So this 4 place for 4 different huruf. So it will become time with 4 factorial. So you can refer to the previous example how I did this kind of question. So it will final answer is 2 factorial times 4 factorial. So the answer is, the answer is 48. All right, the answer is 48. Okay, 48. Settle. Okay, guys, that is our question 2004. And the last, yes, the last question 2005, paper 1. Okay, so a debate team. Okay, the debate teams consists of 5 students here. Okay, 5 students. And these 5 students are chosen from 4 monitors, 2 assistant monitor, and 6 prefects. Calculate the number of different ways the team can be formed if there is no restriction. Okay, guys, this is not about arrange. This is about to choose. So, for this question number 1, okay, actually we want to sort in 5 different places. This is 5 available places. Okay, how many number of sorts we have? We got 4 monitor, we got 2 assistant, and we got 6 prefect. So total will be 4 plus 2 plus 6 is 12, right? So because the soalan is no restriction, that means 12 available people, we want to choose how many? 5 places. So 12C5, then you got the answer. So 12C5, the answer is 792. 792, right? Settle. First question, 1 marks only. Okay, second question will be 3 marks. Okay, the team contain only a monitor and exactly 3 prefect. What's that means? Okay, number 1, as usual, we got 5 available places. Okay, 3 places must be for prefect. Okay, this for prefect, 3 places already. So how many prefects we have? 6 prefects. We want to choose 3. Okay, second, we have 1 places here for monitor. See, only a monitor. 1 monitor we must put here. So how many monitor we have? We got 4 monitor here. So 4 to choose 1. Now, the last here is for assistant monitor, right? It will be for assistant monitor. So how many assistant monitor we have? 2. How many places available? Only one. So 2C1. So the final answer will be 4C1 times 2C1 times 6C3. Okay, so berapa jawapan ini? 4C1 times 2C1 times 6C3. Okay, guys, this is the numbers that I put inside. So I press equal. So the answer is 160 ways. Okay, so please double check my answer. Is that correct or not? Okay, my calculation. So the answer here is 160 ways. Done. Okay, guys, that's all for today. So I hope you guys enjoy for this chapter. It's easy. That's why I told you I can finish this chapter in one video. Okay, so we already discussed what is a permutation. We also will discuss the combination, factorial, and also the most important part is the SPM question. Alright, so guys, I hope you can do your own revision after this. Okay, please take your books or your revision books and do some of the question. Okay, try to check whether you understand or not. Okay, as usual, macam biasa, if you have a problem, please take down your problem in the comment section below of this video, or if you guys have an idea whatever, so you also can voice out your idea in the comment section. Okay, so sebelum kita dismiss, alright, please share this video to your friends, okay, or your other school friends. Okay, if you think this video can help you, so why not we help the others. Alright, so itu saja untuk hari guys. So I will see you on the next class. Okay guys, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye guys.